How's it going, guys? Ben here with iTech Triad, and today Google kind of just randomly announced Android N. And there are quite a few new features that we've been waiting for. Obviously, this is a very, very early beta of this, so not everything is included. Google already confirmed they're going to be adding a lot more before Google I/O this summer, but let's go ahead and take a look at what they have added so far, or at least the highlights. So first thing I know everyone's going to wonder about is the Easter egg. So I'll go ahead and go into the settings and open up the Easter egg, and it's a big N, because there is no name for this. Go ahead and sound off in the comments, what do you think Android N is going to be called? And then if you go ahead and click on it some more, you get the same droid in Marshmallow Land thing that everybody is terrible at. Wow, I think that's the worst I've ever done. Anyway, first thing you'll see on the home screen is the new wallpaper, which I actually really like. It's kind of different from Google's previous default wallpapers, but I like it. If you want to download it, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can do so, even if you don't have Android N. But there's the app drawer. Not confirmed it's going to stay, not confirmed it's going to go. So let's just leave it at that. But first big feature that everyone really cares about, multi-window. So if I go ahead and go into the settings, I've got the website and Twitter pulled up. If I pull the website up here to the top, it'll open up in half the screen, and then Twitter will open up in the other half. And I don't really care about the debates going on. But anyway, multi-window, it works pretty well, especially considering this is the first beta. If you go ahead and pull on this middle bar, you can resize things depending on however you want to have them resized. And then if you want to switch apps here on the bottom, you just go ahead and click on the multitasking button, and you choose something else. So I'll go ahead and open the settings for whatever reason, which, by the way, yes, it does have a hamburger menu now, which I actually surprisingly like. But anyway, if we go back home here, you'll see that the top app will go up to the top, and that's because now I can choose any app from my app drawer to go ahead and put in there. So far, from what I can tell, just about everything I've tried has been supported with this with very, very few issues, even this early on. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on YouTube here, and YouTube will go ahead and open up. It will say app may not work with split screen for most apps, but you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, I can go ahead and go in here, and I can go ahead and watch a video here on the bottom. Go ahead and watch Techno Buffalo for a second. Yeah, so that's a really useful feature. I'm very glad this is finally included in stock Android. It's something I've wanted in stock Android for a long time. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to test it on a tablet yet, and that is because I'm stupid and I bought the 16GB Nexus 9 instead of 32GB Nexus 9. So yeah, I really regret that. But anyway, moving right along, I'm going to try to keep this video somewhat short. We also have the new notification bar. So in the new notifications, you have quick toggles along the top for your Wi-Fi, your SIM card, your battery, all that kind of fun stuff. And then you can also access everything else at the bottom with another swipe down with a really, really cool animation. And you can see things like the battery settings has been redone and looks really cool, and it provides a lot more information. And then you can also have multiple pages of your quick settings. So like over here I have Wi-Fi and all the stuff I'll use every day. And then if I swipe over, I have like a hotspot and screencasting and data saver and all that stuff. And the notifications themselves, they do look a little bit different now. I'm gonna try to zoom in here a little bit. But anyway, notifications do look a little bit different now. Hey, look, it's Patrick. But anyway, you can see here this little reply button. Right now, this does not do what it will do, but once Android N becomes public and everyone's using it and they'll update their apps, you'll be able to reply right from the from the notification shade rather than going into the app like you do now. But I'll go ahead and swipe that away. You can also now, you have more prompts telling you what things do. So like here you can see there are a couple arrows I can click on and off to expand, and then I can do the same thing with the individual emails. So that's very useful. It's gonna make a lot more people know basically what their phone can do. So I'll go ahead and zoom back out here again. But that's pretty much it for what Android N includes. Obviously, this is a very, very early beta. A lot of things are going to be added over the coming months, I'm sure. Google has already confirmed again that there will be more by the time I/O comes around and by the time the public release comes out. So go ahead and stay tuned. We'll have more coverage on Android N as things come up. And be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos just like this. Again, leave a comment in the description and let me know, what do you think Android N is going to be called? As always, a huge thank you for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.